When designing a baseball trading pin, there are plenty of ways to make it unique and memorable. In this video, we're going to go over everything you need to know about how to design a custom trading pin. The first step is to find inspiration. Take a look at the gallery on our website to find your favorite trading pin designs. Next, think about what elements you want included. Having your logo or mascot as the main focal point is a great starting point for any design. And your team name should be bold and prominent. Some designs will incorporate their team's location into the design, such as a state outline or something to show off the local aesthetic. Then consider whether you want to include player identifiers, such as player names, numbers, or both. You can also include your team's age group, division, as well as the tournament name and year that you're competing in. Also think about other possible design elements, such as baseballs, gloves, or bats. Another thing to consider is the size of your trading pin. This can be a huge factor in both the tradability and design of your pins. Some design elements like color fill, player names, or numbers might not be possible at smaller sizes. We have many standard sizes, but the most popular size for both design and tradability is between 1.75 and 2.25 inches. If you're not sure what size is right for your design, we can help you decide later. Once you have a general idea, sketch it out or write a detailed description. You don't have to be a professional artist. Some of the best designs start out as a napkin sketch. Then, visit our website and fill out our quote form. Our quotes and artwork are free. Our dedicated customer care and design team will work with you to make your trading pins a cut above the rest.